This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Brick ranch in established neighborhood, fresh paint and new flooring, huge eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and new stainless steel appliances, nice floor plan with family room, living room, and dining room. Large primary suite with tons of closet space and private bath. Private backyard, large deck, covered front porch, and attached garage. Convenient to shopping and restaurants, easy access to I-64 and I-664. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.